Man, I got a unboxing right here. Just got these in today. This pair caught my eye as soon as they were announced. It was an interesting concept. It's called Win Some, Lose Some. Now, if you're a sneakerhead and you're into SBs, you already know what that is. So, just trying to open these up without giving too much of my information. Oh, look at that. That's cool. They give a little thank you note on the receipt. I don't know if you can see it right there. That's cool. And this is what I was waiting for. Bought it straight from Premier. Oh, the box is so nice. Oh man, this is nice. Okay. And sorry about the background. My room's a mess, but I had nowhere else to do this at. So let's just get into it right away. Look at that Premier SB box. This feels so nice. It's got a little sticker right here, which you got the 10 scratched off. Look at that detail. Just like in the lotto, your size is scratched off. Alright, cool. So, box already stupendous, amazing, great. Now, I kind of want to get the camera and go into it a little bit closer. Okay, so I'm not doing any edits on this, so I'm just gonna go straight forward. So check it out. There it is. Boom. Maybe with this light you can kind of see the scratch off better. Scratched off. The size 10, my size. Oh wow, there we go. Don't want to ruin the sticker, so I'll lay it down like that carefully. Now this, I don't know what this is. Some gold foil. Let's see what's inside. I can't really get it out, so you know what, I'm gonna have to use my stand again. Hold on. Okay, so here is the foil. So I guess you gotta like peel it away from here or something. I'm not sure. There you go. Boom. Bunch of stickers, as you can see. Got gold leaf stickers. Premier SB, Premier, matching my stickers that I got from them before. Just these in gold. And then you get a scratch off ticket. That's freaking cool. Okay, there's some terms and conditions on the back. It says, redeeming a winning ticket, mail the winning ticket to 10, blah blah blah. Each winning ticket will receive one free project-specific Premier SB hat. One size fits all. No exchanges allowed. Alright, shipping will be free of charge. Enclosed address, blah blah. Premier holds the right to refuse winning tickets. Okay, cool. So you scratch this to find out if you can winner, and you win a Premier SB hat. That's nice. A little extra touch right there. Oh no, I got the freaking sticky part on the. There we go. Alright, that's cool. Now, I'm sure a lot of people that saw this and know what it is are also curious about the gold coin, which I do not feel in here. It's not in here, so I don't know. Hopefully it's in there, but if not, I'm gonna be upset. Anyways, let's take a look, shall we? Oof, look at these. I want to be a little careful with these. Look at these. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, nice. The colorway is so simple, but so clean too. You got the gold lace tips. You got the extra white laces. So it comes with a pair of flat laces, which I prefer. They're white, kind of cream, but yeah, they're kind of like a cream color, very slight cream color. And then you got the extra white fat laces. Inside you got the Premier thing. I'll do some close-ups in a bit. And thankfully, there it is. The gold coin right there, which you can use to scratch off your ticket. And this, you know, I guess it was supposed to be in here. It might have fallen out, or I don't know, maybe they just put it in the box and then put it separately. But you can keep your lucky gold coin in here. Boom. Just little extra things that makes the shoe extra special. You got that silica gel, you know, keep your shoes fresh. And on the other side, you got the other shoe. No other laces, just the other shoe. Looks great. Looks great. Smells great. You know, Premier SB, they always do great collabs. I forgot which one I have of theirs. I have another collab from them. But that's pretty much it. That's an unboxing for you right now. I'll take some closer video so you guys can see the details. Okay, here we have the shoes up close. Like I said, just a clean design. Nothing too extravagant, besides the fact that the swoosh does reveal a pattern, or just kind of like this same color, like a kind of like tannish / gold like colorway. I don't know how to explain it. The only thing that is kind of like flashy, besides the gold lace tips, you got a little bit of gold flake inside the sole, which is kind of ice. It's an ice sole, kind of transparent gold ice sole, something like that. But yeah, so there you go. The Nike SB Win Some Lose Some collab with Premier right there. Here's a closer look at the lotto ticket. Win some, lose some, and odds we trust. There we go. I don't know if I'm gonna scratch this off, but it's tempting. We'll see. And then here's a little pouch right there. Get the little coin, which the coin is awesome. It's pretty hefty, and it does have, like, if you can get focused here, it does have the ridges, kind of like a quarter does. And come on, lighting, get the, oh well. It's the same on both sides, so it would have been cool if they had like different things on different sides, but it's the same. But yeah, that's the whole package from Premier. You get your shoes, extra set of laces, gold coin, your lotto ticket, some stickers, and this fancy box right here. Look at that. Boom. Nike SB. Premier SB. You guys did it again. Alright. Hopefully you enjoyed that unboxing. And let me know what you think. I might be doing some more in the future. You know, I'm always buying shoes, even though I said I was done with the game. But, you know, sometimes with some drops, you just can't not buy them, you know? So, and these didn't break the bank either. I think they were like 120 or something. And like I said, I brought them from Premier. And you guys can still buy them in skate shops on the 24th of August, 2018, obviously. Or on the Sneakers app on the 25th of August. So if you like these, stay tuned and try your chance at a local skate shop. If you're in Chicago, Uprise is a place to go. I'm sure they'll have them. If you don't have any local skate shops, just try your luck on the Sneakers app. And yep, let me know what you guys think. Talk to you later. Peace. Mention one other thing. So here behind the wings, there's let's see if I can pull this out. Okay, here we are with the laces off, so you can see clearly. Win some, it's like stamped on there. This side, lose some on that side. So that's a nice little touch, you know, keeps up with the theme. And you know, you won't know it, I mean, people won't see it unless you rock them, without the laces and they let the wings fly out. Which I don't really like that style, but some people do. But yeah, it's cool, that's what SB is known for, SB was known for doing like collabs like this, shoes themed around something, and we've had a lot of like releases in the past, great releases that surround a theme, like the Skunks. Obviously, every 420 they release some kind of weed themed shoe. What else do they have? They have a lot of things, like I can't think of any on the top of my head, but you know what I'm talking about. You sneakerheads know. You guys don't need me to tell you this. Anyways, this has been Leo Plays Video Games. Thanks once again for tuning in. I am out. Peace.